I am Josephine, built by the students of Class 9 and 11. I can see you, know you, feel your mood, and help keep you safe. I am Josephine, built by the students of Class 9 and 11. I can see you, know you, feel your mood, and help keep you safe. Good evening, everyone. It is a pleasure to welcome you to St. Joseph's Convent School. I am Josephine, a humanoid robot built by the students of Class 9 and Class 11. Thank you for being here today. I am excited to show you how technology and care can work together.
A very good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Today, we are going to show you something which we have been working on with a lot of curiosity and the courage. We, the students of standards 9 and 11 of the Robotics and Artificial Intelligence Department of St. Joseph's Convent School, have developed a humanoid robot. So yes, what you just saw is Josephine functioning live on stage. I'll begin with the main task that Josephine performs, and that is taking attendance, but in a rough smart way. If a student stands in front of the robot will capture the student's face. The system then analyzes the student, creates a dataset, and identifies it. Once the student is recognized, attendance is marked automatically. But that part is simple. What makes this system important is what it does along with taking attendance. At the same time, Josephine also analyzes the facial emotions of the student, and based on that, it predicts whether a child appears to be happy, sad, neutral, or emotionally stressed. Now, to practically show you all, I would like to call my teacher Anisha Manoj so that we can demonstrate how Josephine takes attendance.
Hello, Anisha. You seem a little sad today. Attendance recorded. Take care.
Thank you, Anisha. Now, I would like everybody to pay attention to this screen as well. As you all can see on the screen, no email had previously been read. But because the robot detected Anisha's face result, an automated email was read. This email is sent only to the parents and the class teacher, not to create panic, not to reveal, but simply to inform, so that the right people are aware of the situation. In today's times, students are under a little. As you all can see, the robot is not responding. This tells us that the robot can only detect the registered students of the school. So, if an unregistered person approaches it, it will not detect the person and hence no attendance will be marked. This helps the authorities stay informed and maintain security. Thank you, Sophie. We will back. These were the main reasons why we built this attendance and emotion detection system. Well, Josephine also helps us in monitoring the physical well-being of students. As per the new education policy, a child's bag should not ideally exceed 10% of the body weight. Now, to demonstrate this feature as well, I would like to call my team member Subhasini.
Hello, Subhasini. You appear happy today. Attendance recorded. Your bag looks heavy today. Please mind your posture.
Thank you, Subhasini. As you all be able to see, the robot was able to detect that a bag was heavy to move. Well, you all must be wondering, how was the robot able to do that? The robot analyzes the shoulder position and shoulder compression of the shoulder, and based on that, it detects whether the bag is heavy or not. If a child's bag is heavy, a short notification is sent to the parents, informing them that the child's bag may be too heavy and need attention. This feature is not about strict control. It's about prevention and care. Now, I would like to say this to all the parents who are here. What you see on stage today is a student level prototype. We are still learning and still experimenting. This is not the final version. It is a starting point. But we strongly believe that there will be a time when your children too will be working in fields like artificial intelligence, robotics, and innovation, building systems far more advanced than this and solving real world problems using technologies. Artificial intelligence and robotics are not just future technologies anymore. They're becoming a part of everyday life. And projects like Jospin, a small step that helps students understand that technology can be used not just to impress, but to care. We are aware that a robot is not perfect, but we believe in one simple idea, and that is a small step taken towards the problem is always better than no step being taken at all. And with that, ladies and gentlemen, Josephine represents that step. Collaboration across multiple specialized departments. The audio and communication engineering team played a vital role in ensuring clear signal processing and reliable data transmission. The artificial intelligence and machine learning team contributed by designing its algorithm and making the humanoid voice. Meanwhile, the robotics mechanical engineering team contributed by developing its strength and stability, ensuring precise movement of the robot. By compiling these expertise from various departments, we were able to create a well-balanced and efficient system. We hope you enjoyed what we created. Thank you.